Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the Indesit BWE81285XWEEN washing machine. Product overview. 1. Top. 2. Detergent dispenser drawer. 3. Control panel. 4. Handle. 5. Porthole door. 6. Drain pump, behind the plinth. 7. Plinth, removable. 8. Adjustable feet. Control panel. 1. On-off button. 2. Drying button. 3. Drying only button. 4. Multi-rinse button. 5. Option button. 6. Direct injection button. 7. Start pause button and indicator light. 8. Key lock button. 9. Delay timer button. 10. Spin button. 11. Temperature button. 12. Auto clean button. 13. Wash cycle selector knob. Detergent dispenser drawer. Compartment 1. Washing detergent, powder or liquid. If liquid detergent is used, the removable plastic partition A, supplied, should be used for proper dosage. Compartment 2. Additives, fabric softeners. The fabric softener must not exceed the max level. Wash cycles. Anti-stain turbo, ideal for daily stains, and 45, good for mixed fabrics and colored garments. Anti-stain 20 degrees Celsius, removes stains without pre-treatment, preserves fabric and colors. Cotton, for towels, underwear, tablecloths, etc. made of resistant linen and cotton. Synthetics, specifically for synthetic items, temperature can be increased up to 60 degrees for tough dirt. Rapid 30, for lightly soiled garments, not for wool, silk, or hand wash items. Mix wash and dry, program 6 for washing and drying mixed garments, suitable for loads up to 3.5 kilograms. Eco 40 to 60, for normally soiled cotton garments, washable at 40 degrees Celsius or 60 degrees Celsius, efficient in water and energy use. Anti-allergy, removes major allergens like pollen, mites, and pet hair. Steam refresh, refreshes clothes, removes odor, and relaxes fibers with steam. Ultra delicates, for very delicate garments, turn inside out and use liquid detergent. Display. Innovative technology. Push and go. Technology removes over 20 common stains, and no pre-soaking is needed. Inverter motor. Ensures efficiency and special fabric care. Energy class B, saves the family budget. 30 degrees zone. Washes clothes at 30 degrees Celsius, saving energy, same performance as 40 degrees Celsius. Energy savings per kilogram compared to programs: cotton 40 degrees, synthetics 40 degrees, and colored laundry. Care and maintenance. Remove the front panel using a screwdriver. Loosen the drainage pump cover. Clean the inside. Screw the cover back on. Put the panel back in place, ensuring the hooks are in place before pushing it onto the appliance. Troubleshooting. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.